And coming back a bit to the challenges, because you yourself is an entrepreneur as well, what do you think is making like the life of a health entrepreneur a bit more difficult than any other entrepreneur, at least for now? And how can entities like the whole ecosystem, not just Saudi MOH, be supportive to, help them in their journey?
I'm lucky that this journey of entrepreneurship, I started it from the scratch, and it was by coincidence. Actually, before COVID, when I returned back from the United States, I saw the gap in the healthcare sector, and there is a lot of technologies and advancement. But unfortunately, at that time, I'm not seeing a lot of adoption of these innovations and technologies. So we started with an initiative. It's a social initiative just to empower healthcare professionals and how can they reach to their patients. And when COVID hit, telemedicine was a big thing. And actually, we were one of those who started telemedicine here in the kingdom. And the lesson learned from the journey of entrepreneurship here, it really, I'm really happy in how the kingdom is providing a lot of initiatives for entrepreneurs, innovators. 10 or 8 years ago, these initiatives are not there. In the support of establishing your company, in the support of securing an intellectual property, of having subject matter expert guiding you and streamline the regulatory process. Instead of waiting 5-6 years for those technologies to see the light, you can now reduce it for 1 or 2 years with the guidance, because as we know that knowledge is key, and it's power as well. So having all that access really help you to be navigated through this complex system.
That's really great, a great point. But